Tastes like milk. Hi guys, day 3. There almost wasn't cinnamon rolls.
So we're running, but we
Somehow finessed.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
We finessed a table and we're about to finesse some rolls. I'm really stressed about how much the table is moving.
Where's she going? Oh, sorry.
I need to like hold it down. It's not working very well.
These are cinnamon rolls. Yummy, yummy.
I'm so right now.
We're getting ready to go down, take some pictures. Jane the Virgin's in the background. It's really sad.
No.
I don't know where my shoes are.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Water looks pretty though.
Yeah, it does. She's always looking fun and fresh.
On your mark. Get set. Go. Why is it so hard? I'm coming for your brand.
That's literally a tie.
Is it deep enough? Just like sit cross-legged.
There you go. Sit and ready.
Wait, is it up your butthole? Okay.
Ready?
Yeah, try not to get in my hair.
1, 2, 3.
My life is a hole. Oh,
Now we have to.
She looks like the blind fashion designer.
Do something for the thumbnail.
Like a soft face and like.
Wait, we need to do it like with my arms.
You literally like cannot see your faces at all, but it's fine.
1, 2, 3.
Shake.
Today's been a really sad day.
Like it's kind of nice though. Like I'm like.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I'm like mega covered in sand. Megan.
Miss Lakin is taking pictures. Hey vloggers, Miss Lakin is taking pictures with Miss Grace and Miss Caroline is laying down. We're on the beach and it's really warm and I'm cold because I just got in the water. But anyways, you'll see the pictures on our Instagrams later. Miss Caroline.
Comment down below, is this a contact or a shell? I really hope it's a shell. Because it doesn't feel, it's like, I think it's a shell because it's like,
That's a shell.
yeah, because it's like
That's definitely a shell.
duochrome.
Miss Lakin.
No, you're just out here.
Really hit him with that. Bottoms up when I first saw you.
I look kind of like a hot mess.
We all look. Y'all see this? Literally, my hair is like disgusting. Are you filming me right now? Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I think we're gonna go drive to Culver's. Is that what we're doing?
Yeah.
Heck yeah! The car. I brought potato.
To the car.
That's what I just said.
I brought potato.
I got potatoes. I got potatoes. Look how cute that house is.
Oh yeah, we should vlog all the houses.
It just tastes like milk.
It tastes like milk.
milk.
I got potatoes.
Give us a fit.
Hey. Hey guys, we're back from taking pictures. We went and got lunch and we didn't really vlog anything. Lakin's kind of having another breakdown because we have to leave eventually to go. Where are we going?
To go shopping
To go shopping
and eat dinner.
and eat dinner. And Lakin's trying to straighten her hair real quick, but she's doing a great job. You're doing a great job. We're gonna go do the things. I'll try to update a little bit. We're shopping.
Just don't forget when they say, how old are you? Say, I'm 15.
This is weird vlog footage. Whoa!
Look at
What is that?
So gross.
Yeah, this is.
Upstairs usually was like okay.
Yeah, the upstairs stuff is cuter.
I have so many of these, but they don't say principal.
Why is this song being played right now?
Look at the ceiling.
Oh, whoa, whoa, guys.
Whoa, whoa,
In my
whoa.
pocket.
They see me.
Like, you can't.
This is so. Making brownies. That was disgusting.
Miss Caroline. Okay, look, there's like 2 parts of my knees that were burnt.
Alright, what did everyone burn today?
Grace burns. Grace, what'd you burn?
Literally everything.
The back of your legs. And a little bit of your chest.
Oh, yeah, you did. Oh, you can't even see.
Bethany, what did you burn?
What?
What'd you burn today?
All the above.
I burned the tops of my ears
And a
yesterday.
little bit of your clavicle.
Oh yeah, and the back of my shoulder too.
Oh, baby.
Yeah, and the tops of my feet.
I wish I got your face.
The tops of my feet are kind of red.
What about you?
So I burnt the tops of my feet. We'll go from bottom to top. So that's, and this of my knee.
I hate that.
And then this on my knee. That right there. I don't think anything behind.
And your lipsies?
My lip piece.
And your scalpy.
And then my scalpy and then my chest. And then it
I
feels like.
think I only got a little bit pink on my face.
I haven't even took off my makeup yet, so
We'll see.
we'll see when we go to bed.
Wait.
Oh, wait.
We're making browns. I got some of that. We're making the big brown. That looks literally disgusting. Yeah.
You like my bit. This tastes like milk.
This tastes like.
It just tastes like milk.
I think it tastes like milk.
It just tastes like milk.
Tastes like milk.
Wait,
Oh my god, look.
Wait, taste it and tell us what it tastes like, bacon.
Tastes like milk. Thank you for the cut of milk.
Wait, is there like a special color to make?
Tacos.
Pretty purple is 16 blue.
No.
Okay, I'm just gonna put 2. 1, 2, 3.
Don't put 16.
No, I'm not.
Ooh, Caroline, that's really ugly. I'm so scared. Pretty purple. Dusty rose.
Wait, should I have more blue?
Bethany, what's your guess? What do you think it's gonna taste like?
You know, I really just think it's gonna taste like milk.
Why do we enjoy this hobby, like selling milk? We should make like a purple milk company. She
tastes like milk.
She gags. I don't know what you think this tastes like. The color is about like
It might.
to
It's
be
not
dust.
milk. It's not
It's
what you
not showing
think.
up.
It doesn't taste like milk.
The answer is not that it tastes like milk.
When it's water. I'm sorry.
Good night.
Good night, everybody.
Good night.
Good night.
Everyone,
The camera was like,
remember to put on sunscreen. Just a pro tip.
and like the post.
And like my freaking posts on Instagram.
We're underperforming.
Good night.
That's still good. Okay.
Sorry about that. Nicole can tell you.
Okay.
All right.
Bethany,
I'd like to say good.
30 minutes scared.
I'm so sorry. Am I ready?
Yeah.
Good night, and I hope it just tastes like milk.
Good night.
Look out! I think Moto likes you.